Hopper. He is the CEO of ShareMethods. We're going to talk today about document management, and ShareMethods makes a standalone document management system, but also has integrated it into Salesforce.com AppExchange as well as Oracle's On-Demand Suite. Eric, thank you for joining us. Let's get right to the demo.
Okay, thanks so much, Fritz, for having me here today and for allowing us to share ShareMethods with your community of readers and viewers. So, first of all, what you're looking at here now is one of ShareMethods' on-demand services. This is called Share Now for AppExchange. You'll see, for example, a salesperson can store their presentations here, a marketing team can store advertising and other kinds of creative assets, a product management team might store product specs, and so on. And if you drill into these different categories of information that you see here in Share Now, you'll be able to see right down from the top level view we're looking at, you'll be able to look at the subcategories of documents and content for a salesperson in the presentation area. So here might be business presentations, presentations for the executive team, for marketing, for upselling, for the technologists. Everything you see as I go through this taxonomy is fully customizable by the end user who is our customer to set this up based on how they go to market and want to share content and information. You'll see that there's a document icon that shows where content resides in the system, a description. There's a little icon here which you can toggle on and off to actually subscribe and automatic alerts and email notifications for new or change content in any category. When we now go down to the document view for the kinds of documents you'll be sharing on demand, you'll see visual icons. These indicate the document type. It might be a Microsoft PowerPoint, an HTML page, a PDF file, a Word file. We also let you store links or URLs, intranet, extranet, or internet sites, and even on-demand shortcuts. You can have a single document referenced in multiple places in the taxonomy within the Share Now service. Furthermore, you'll see we have community ratings, reviews. It's got a star rating system just like Amazon or Netflix. We tell you the file size, the version number. We have a whole versioning engine here under the hood in ShareMethods, the 14th version of this product demo document. We show you, modification date, and a whole set of actions to email documents out, edit them in their native application, even online in the browser. A little bubble here to write a user review like you would find in a community service on the web. So there's a lot of richness, a lot of functionality with how you can work with these documents inside Salesforce, but also inside Oracle and inside our own standalone solution.
I noticed as you're mousing over, some metadata pops out. Is this stuff that the end user enters in at hand?
Absolutely. What we do is we index every word and every page, every bullet point on every slide, every cell on every spreadsheet. And in addition to that, we let you annotate and manually describe your document with a description. We support multiple tags. We let you index the file name itself, the title, the author is in there. All of that information is fully indexed and fully searchable within our solution. It gives a lot of flexibility to help people as they try and download, which I'm doing now, a document that they might want to get to, or if they want to search, browse, and look for content within the system. You'll see a little eye icon here, and you'll notice that we indicate the status of a document, if it's published, if it's in a draft mode, if it's been approved. Various states of the document are included here. If I click on the eye for information, it will give me additional information about the document, the relevant industry, the geography, the Salesforce or Oracle account or opportunity it's related to. I mentioned the tags. We also allow you to create a public link to every document if you want to publish it on a corporate website, on a corporate portal, in an email newsletter. It's a simple link which you see down here, and it allows you to keep versioning and changing the document, whereas the end user just clicks the link once, and they always get the same version of the document. As I'm sure you realize, Fritz, document security is of paramount importance in a service like ours, and you'll see here that you can pick from available groups and set permissions if you want to take the documents not just at the category level, but right down to the granular document level. You can set a permission. I'm doing that here. I'm saying that the product ABC group, the product EQR group, they can specifically get access just to this particular document, the presentation for big brands, in addition to the marketing group, the sales group, and the ShareMethods demo group. So a lot of power, a lot of flexibility on permissions and controls around documents. I mentioned the versioning engine to you before. If I click on the document history, you can see this has 7 versions. every version, we can go back and revert, we can download, we can delete, we can see who changed it, when they changed it, what the file name was, when they changed it, the date, the timestamp, any remarks that they have typed in about the document. And we have a whole analytics engine around our document service. So you'll know for every document in the system, okay, this document was downloaded 225 times. The public version was downloaded 42 times. It's been sent by email 76 times. We give you reporting and analytics around the document, tell you about the download activity, the distribution activity by email, if it's been approved, what the activity was on the approval process for the document. A lot of utility around the actual analytics for the document. Helps you know if your business partners are downloading your materials, helps you know if the sales team is following up on what the sales operations group wants to be doing with the documents.
Now, just a quick question, Erica, on this as well, and a lot of these are great features, and I imagine with a lot of companies using applications like Salesforce, Oracle, and others, that one of the big challenges that they have is a lot of these kind of documents are in some other system. They may be on some homegrown system online, just sitting on servers, behind some sort of wiki or other portal that the company's built. It makes a lot of sense to integrate it with your Salesforce application. How difficult is it for companies to take what they have and bring all those documents into a ShareMethods environment?
It's a great question. When we come into a company, companies either have a file server behind a VPN that's hard to get to, maybe SharePoint, maybe a wiki, maybe combinations of all of the above, and they say, hey, we'd love to have a single go-to place for all of our documents, quick, easy, fast, cost-effective, on-demand, anytime, anywhere, anyplace access. We provide that. To get the content into our service, we support an international standard and protocol called WebDAV, Web Document Authoring and Versioning Protocol. That standard is supported by Microsoft, Adobe, Apple, IBM. It's an interoperability standard. It allows us to set up drag and drop capability for everything I'm showing your viewers in this demo, so that you can literally take a folder, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 documents, or a whole file structure and folder structure, and drag and drop it into ShareNow and be up and running instantaneously with a complex document repository without having to manually sit there one at a time and upload these documents over and over again and so on. So we have a great way for people to bring content in quickly and easily, and IT groups also make it because we set up a schedule to do automated backups to a file server inside the firewall from our document cloud. And we do really refer to our solution as a document cloud in this whole new world of, cloud computing. It's a key part of it. Furthermore, you'll notice that actually if I click on this Add Document link, let's say there are particular